attending an accounting interview tomorrow, and the interviewer asks you, can you use Sage 50 accounting software? If your answer is no, you may lose the opportunity immediately. Within a few weeks, you could confidently use Sage 50 accounting, prepare financial reports, manage inventory, process payroll, handle VAT, and work like a professional accountant. That is exactly what this course is designed to help you and achieve. And in this course, you're going to be learning about bookkeeping and introduction to bookkeeping. In Module 1, you'll be learning what is bookkeeping and accounting versus bookkeeping. Module 2, you'll be learning lesson 1, you'll be learning installation of Sage 50 software. Lesson 2, introduction to Sage 50 software. Lesson 3, creating a new company. And lesson 4, learn how to set up a chart of account. After that, you move to your module 3. Your module 3, this way you'll be learning on how to create a new customer, open a new balance of customer, how to maintain a customer, how to record payment from customer, how to post advance payment received from customer. After that, we move to module 4. In our module 4, you'll be learning vendor management content. That is module 4 is vendor management content. And now for vendor management content, you're learning how to create a new vendor, opening balance, how to maintain or set up a vendor, how to post payments received from vendor, and how to deduction of tax against vendor. After that, we move to our module 5. Module 5 is inventory management. In lesson 1, you're going to be creating an inventory item. Lesson 2, how to maintain an inventory. Lesson 3, how to receive an inventory item. After that, you move to your module 6. Now, module 6, lesson 1, you will learn sales quotation. Lesson 2, sales order. Lesson 3, how to create a sales order. Lesson 4, sales invoicing. Lesson 5, learn how to receive an invoice from sales order. Lesson 6, customer receipts. Lesson 7, processing or return invoice. And lesson 8, credit note. Lesson 9, refund to customer part 1. Lesson 10, refund to customer part 2. Lesson 11, sales report. After that, we move to our module 7. Our module 7, we have purchase processing. In purchase processing modules, you're going to learn lesson 1, purchase order. Lesson 2, how to process purchase order. Lesson 3, supply invoice. Lesson 4, supply of payment. Lesson 5, how to post payment to vendor. Lesson 6, debit note. Lesson 7, how to process return invoice back to vendor. Lesson 8, refund by vendor part 1. Lesson 9, refund by vendor part 2. Lesson 10, purchase report. After that, we move to module 8. In your module 8, you'll be learning cash and bank management. Module 9, payroll basis. And module 10, fixed assets. Module 11, prepared expenses accounts. In this prepared expenses, you will learn lesson 1, treatment of prepared expenses. Lesson 2, how to maintain monthly amortization. After that, you move to your module 10, loan and financial transaction. Lesson 13, equity and directors transaction. Under this equity and director transaction, you learn lesson 1, how to post equity transaction. Lesson 2, directors current accounts. After that, you move to your VAT and tax transaction. That is module 14. In this VAT and tax transaction, under module 1, you learn how to set up your VAT. Lesson 2, how to post VAT remittance. Lesson 3, how to post withholding tax deduction. Lesson 4, withholding tax payable. Lesson 5, withholding tax receivable. Lesson 6, how to post withholding tax remittance to FRS. Lesson 7, withholding tax. After that, we move to module 15, where we do your financial reporting. In this financial reporting module comprises of trial balance, profit and loss statement, balance sheet, cash flow report, and general ledger. It's not only that you will also be getting free bonus. When I mean free bonus, you also be getting free bonus. In this free bonus master data analysis Sage 50, the free bonus comprises of Sage 50 software. You're not going to only be getting the course, you also be getting the software. Look at the Sage 50 software. These are the Sage 50 software package. This is where you'll be getting installation video where you learn how to install it. You download this, and after that you install the Sage 50 software. After that, you also be getting data analysis free ebook. This is more than 20 data analysis free ebook and Excel formulas. This is and also data analysis field. After that, you also move to Excel templates for accountants. These are the more than 50 Excel templates for accountants. You will be learning on how to do your financial reporting on your payroll. These are not your monthly payroll, all as an accountant or admin management. This is how to change your staff name, you change your basic salary automatically. Excel will help you to calculate this is what to be getting for free, and your pay is chargeable income. And chargeable income, this is what to be getting. After that, we move to our exam data analysis clip. And this will also move to ultimate data analysis kit. These are ultimate data analysis, these are data analysis video. You'll be getting all these things for free. After that, I will guide you on how to install this your stage 50 software. After installing the stage 50 software, this is how it's going to look on your screen. Exactly this way. It's going to look like this on your laptop or on your PC. Look at the way it's going to look. Your stage 50 accounting software. So after that, you're not going to be getting that, you're going to be getting a mentorship group student that gets registered. You'll be wondering how much it is cost. For the first 10 people, you'll be getting this cost for just 20,000 naira, including with the free bonuses. And the free bonuses comprise of data analysis resources, data analysis ebook, ultimate data analysis kits, and also software, stage 50 software for accounting. That is limited offer. There is no need of paying subscription. No, you use it anytime, offline, online, limited offer. And also you be getting a 50 video installation guide. And this is all you will get. And also be getting Excel resources for accountants, for business owner, and you get all this thing for just 20,000 naira for just 10 people. And after those 10 people, the price is going back to 60,000 naira. For just only 10 people, the price is 20,000 naira. After 10 people, the price is going back to 60,000 naira. Payment is confirmed. You will receive instant access to the complete course stage 50 software, all the bonus, and lifetime access to the training material. I look forward to welcoming you inside the course. See you guys in the class.